ChromaSet is a new and innovative add-on that enhances the capabilities of any 3D printer. It features a number of features that make it a great choice for 3D printer users of all levels of experience, including the ChromaSet allows users to print with multiple filaments simultaneously, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities for 3D printing. The ChromaSet comes with a remote control that allows users to control their 3D printer remotely. This is a great feature for users who want to be able to start and stop prints without having to be right next to their 3D printer. The ChromaSet can achieve print speeds of up to 300 millimeters per second, which is significantly faster than most 3D printers on the market. The ChromaSet is compatible with almost all 3D printers on the market. Here are some of the pros and cons of the ChromaSet. Pros: multi-filament printing, remote control, high print speeds, universal compatibility. Cons: can be expensive. Some users have reported that the ChromaSet can be difficult to install and use. Overall, the ChromaSet is a great choice for 3D printer users who want to improve the performance and capabilities of their 3D printer. It is especially well suited for users who want to be able to print with multiple filaments simultaneously, and who want to be able to control their 3D printer remotely. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.